So, hello guys. Today is... Wait, anong oras na ba? Anong oras na? Magpa-4 o'clock na. Di pa rin ako makatulog. So, wala na naman na makausap. Usapin niya naman ako. So, dahil bilang isang architecture student na addict rin sa games, gising pa rin ako ngayon. Parado pa ilong ko. So, ayun guys. Ngayon lang ako makakagawa siguro ng vlog na ganito. Hindi ako sanay gumawa ng mga vlogs na parang live vlogs. And hindi naman naka-Englishera na nakikita niyo sa mga iba kong vlog. Just a little bit. But so, ayun, I just like to share what happened yesterday, or let's say, a while ago. So, I'm just gonna share. Ay, hindi pala ako nag-i-intro. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kung sa pinapanood ang video na ito, hello, I'm Maxine, and welcome to another episode of... The life of an architecture student. So, hello guys. For those who still don't know me, hello, I'm Maxine Loyola Naval. I'm a 5th year architecture student. Ang weird magpakilala pag inaantok. Alam mo yung inaantok ka, pero hindi ka pa rin makatulog. So, ito yung tunay ko itsura. So, yun nga guys. I just like to share what happened earlier. Sobrang saya ko lang. You know, parang hindi ko lang na-expect na I would make it. But, yun nga. To orient you guys, I actually joined the competition called Anthology. So, its theme was mapping out our neighborhoods. Basically, yung mechanics is you have to make architectural diagrams.
Kaninang umaga.
Yo guys, tawa ko. Today is, ano to, call center? Today is really...
And so this includes
I'm already happy right now. Excited ako tayo. Today is actually the day 2 of Anthology, and ayun. And this is the unfiltered version of me with a fresh pimple. Ang init! Init, day. Why am I in the Philippines? So, ayun guys, that's what happened earlier. I was watching the live stream, tapos nakita ko na siya. Masaya na ako, like, mamaya pa results ng winners. But I'm already happy that I made it somehow. So, habang naghihintay ng results, and kasi i-feature din yung mga nakapasok, I'd like to tell a story about Anthology. So, Anthology kasi it's like a convention. So, iba-ibang architects, urban planners, professionals, magkakaroon mga shelter dialogues, then seminars, workshops. Kadalasan, ginaganap siya sa Intramuros, Manila. And I've been to Anthology like twice. Last year and last year. Pero last year, alam ko, saglit lang ako. I wasn't really able to take a tour or attend ng buong 3 days. Kasi medyo busy yata ako nun. Tapos, last year, I was able to attend. Tapos yun yung kasagsagan na sobrang lakas ng ulan. So, shout out nga pala kay sa dakila kong tagapayong nun, sa friend ko. So, shout out nga pala kay Blake, sa friend ko na si Charles. So, siya kasi yung nagpayong sa akin that time. I still remember, nag-OOTD pa ako noon. Then, I was wearing my new rubber shoes na napalalunan ko from the Christmas party. So, ayun yun, nasa vlog ko yan. Tapos, bagong-bago pa siya nung time na yan. Tapos, biglang umulan. So, yan. Kasi, buti nga hindi siya puti. But, I still remember sobrang hassle nung time na yun kasi umuulan. Tapos, hanap talaga kami ng spot na pagsistay-yan, ganon. Hindi ko pa kasama jowa ko nun kasi alam ko may pasok siya. So, anyway, then, ayun. Sadly, walang anthology this year sa Intramuros. It's now online or virtual. Pero kasi nga pandemic, so hopefully, masaya kasi yan talaga. I mean, marami talagang workshops, seminars that are really worth listening to. Kinakabahan ako. For sure, mas marami. Kinakabahan ako. For sure, marami nag-entry ng sobrang ganda. Uy, ang ganda. Ang cute!
Normally, you eat your halo-halo on a glass.
Para na-emphasize niya talaga yung cultural halo-halo dun sa ano niya. And it's really cohesive for me. Madali siyang maintindihan pag nakita ng first glance. Like parang gets mo na agad ano yung mga ina-analyze dun sa site. Oh. Di ako magaling sa ganito. I don't know how to do this type of diagrams.
Actually, this competition is actually open to not just
Oh, yung grabe, ang
but
ganda.
also international students.
Ang playful. I like it.
So it's really free for
Ay,
us.
so tita ka na
I
edge
think
ko.
Now we can see like
Oh my
we can
God.
actually have a lot of reviews. We open it to everyone, and it's not just
Ayun na yung
the
entry
numbers
ko!
but the quality.
I'm so
I
happy!
think it's really good to have this. And the next
We have Tai Connected Cities by Trisha.
Wait lang, wala pa pala. Meron pa pala isa. Sorry.
The Heart of Every Town, Maxine L. Naval. Isabella Skyfall
Okay na.
by Jefferson Marcos Atiba.
I'm already happy. Okay na ako. Masaya na ako na I made it. Pero di na ako basa, madadalo ako. Ang dami magaganda.
Eto na nga ang kwento.
And there are some archi students, mga first year archi students, who are asking me, ano bang meron sa architectural diagrams? How important are they? Paano ba gumagawa? So, to start, na-realize ko lang na I have to make those type of diagrams. Actually, siguro sa pinaka-basic as an architecture student, ang matututunan natin yung mga sun path, wind path analysis, yung site analysis. That's already an architectural diagram or visual diagram. Pero on the more complex projects, especially lalo na kung thesis, research, Yun nga, it's also written on the mechanics of anthology, and it's really making a point na hindi sapat yung mga perspectives to show how did you design it. Kumbaga, it's not, kasi usually nga, you need architectural diagrams to show the process and how the design will work. So, parang ganun. So, usually kasi, sa na-encounter ko in my own experiences, kapag nagpe-plate, ang ginagawa lang natin is yung floor plan and perspective. That's it. Floor plan, section, elevations, and yung technical drawings. But, hindi natin napapakita paano yung flow ng tao. And sometimes kasi, although understood na siya pag tinignan na isang architect, sometimes, being detailed dun sa presentation justifies yung project mo. And ayun nga, it's also written, so check this out. So, maraming klase ng diagrams. So, pwedeng maging perceptual, like parang pwede rin maging illustrative. Pwede rin maging contextual and so much more. So, marami iba-ibang kinds of presentation. Then ako, yun nga, recently, I've had frustrations. Kasi, yun nga aminado ako na may competitive side ako and parang masyado ako nag-expect sa sarili ko. And yun yung pinakamahirap na it's a matter of ego when joining competitions. Kasi kailangan mong paalala palagi sa sarili mo na hindi ikaw ang pinakamagaling. Like for example, nung high school, valedictorian, ganon. Tapos pagdating ng college, Then na yun, tapos marirealize mo na, teka, kailangan pala. Wait lang pala. Bago ako magkwento, kain muna ako. So yun nga guys, recently parang na-burnout ako sa pagbablog. Let's say factor na rin yun na parang as a small YouTuber, you're really waiting for your progress. So, as you can see, parang may mga videos ako na mataas na yung views, mataas na sa akin yung 1K, mataas na sa akin yung 400, and sobrang taas na sa akin yung 3K. But, yun nga guys, at the end of the day, like what I was saying a while ago, hindi ikaw yung pinakamagaling. You have to accept na meron taong mas interesting, may taong mas magaling sa'yo. And syempre, parang don't make that an insecurity. I was also saying this dun sa mga sinaunang vlog ko na avoid comparing yourself to others. And you can be competitive. Nothing's wrong with being competitive. Kumbaga, ako personally, yung pagiging competitive ko becomes an advantage kasi nagsisipag ako. And yung pagiging competitive ko makes me strive for something higher, ganon. But yun nga, kumbaga kung ano lang yung kaya mo, you have to identify. Nabanggit ko na rin to sa ibang vlogs, palagi ko sinasabi yan. Kailangan mong tanggapin kung saan ka hindi magaling, kung ano hindi mo kayang gawin. And syempre, kailangan mo rin syempre work on both your weak points and your strong points as a human being, not just an archi student. So yun guys, for the last part of my Chika, I was opening up my dramas to my boyfriend again, sa aking jowa na si Jemai. Parang yun nga, sabi ko, parang may time nga na sobrang burnout ko. Tapos ang dami kong frustrations, I want to do better, gusto kong gumaling sa ganito, sa ganyan, gusto kong magawa to. Yun nga yung mga self-expectations na parang puro expectations wala naman akong ginagawa. Then, suddenly, nagulat ako, biglang nag-pop out nga tong competition na Anthology. And yun nga, mental health is a must.
So hello guys, as much as I want to show you the whole process of my entry, unfortunately, I was not able to record it. So, ipapakita ko na lang yung layers ng ginawa ko. So, yes, so I thought of using my thesis topic, which is silang public market, by providing a contextual diagram para sa site niya. Parang iniisip ko na rin noon, sabi ko kay Jemai, what if yun na lang din yung gawin kong topic, yun na lang din yung gawin ko since I have the 3D model, I already have the data, para kahit matalo ako or even if I did not make it, magagamit ko pa rin siya sa ibang uses, especially sa thesis ko. So, ayan guys, as you can see, ayan, actually matagal ko nagawa yung mga yan, yung mga massing. Matagal na yan, as in last year pa, during our MA days. So, ang laking tulong kasi when you already have those resources, makakapag-edit na. So, yan, nalalagay ko mga tao, walang katapusang tao, in order to demonstrate the behavioral analysis, how dense the area can be. Hence, the title of my entry, which is Public Markets, the Heart of Every Town. So, as you can see, I already made this matagal na. This 2D version. So, it's from AutoCAD. So, nilayout ko lang siya ng pabilog. So, I have a 2D version. Then, meron ding naka 3D na aerial to provide a more cohesive na presentation. Then, for this part I'm showing is, actually, na-discuss ko na rin naman to sa thesis vlog ko. You can check this out sa thesis ko. So, parang mayroon na akong template at least. So, marami lang akong binago. So, after the zoning, mayroon mga roads, the noise traffic, and syempre, yung sa pinakaibabaw is I'm showing the sun path and wind path diagram, the sun rising from the east and setting in the west. So, yan. Yung nasa layer na ako ng mga labeling. I'm adding more data, more details. And yes, this is the final look of my entry. So, siguro next time, I'll try to do something na much detailed yung process. I'm really sorry for that. Pero, yun nga guys, to tell you an overview about my entry, it's basically a contextual diagram of Silang Public Market. So, it's a building analysis considering the community. So, pinapakita ko kung gaano siyang connected from our home, from the church, gaano siyang connected from the community, and ano yung potential ng place. So, yun yung nilagay ko sa narrative ko. So, yun yung summary. Then, like what I mentioned, architectural diagrams or visual diagrams like this are really important because you can easily explain and demonstrate how your design will work. So, ayan guys, I will be ending my vlog here. Thank you everyone. Thank you Anthology team for giving us an opportunity. Architects, architecture students, and hindi ko talaga in-expect that I would be shortlisted. Kasi yung pala, hindi ko na-realize na meron palang mga sumaling mga foreigners, so mga international participants. So parang, ang bigati naman ito. So mas kinabahan ako lalo. Doing this visualization helped me become more productive and actually helped me in developing my thesis too. So thank you Anthology for like exposure, for featuring my work. So looking forward for next year. So yun guys, this is where the vlog ends. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more art and architecture videos. This is Maxine, who always keep on saying, trust the process and keep the passion burning. Bye!